Ensure the floor panel is placed on a structurally sound, level surface before continuing assembly. Position the rear wall panel onto the floor panel, fitting it securely into the track. Position the left wall panel and secure in place with the buckles along the rear panel. Install skirt heater and track and plug panel into the back wall. Position seating bench top so it rests on the back and left wall panel's bench supports and the top of the bench skirt panel. Position the right wall panel and secure the buckles along the rear panel. Feed cables through cutouts in the roof panel before putting roof in place. Position the lower inside corner of the left glass panel into the groove on the floor panel. Gently lift the ceiling panel and guide the top edge of the glass into the upper groove while lowering the ceiling back into place. Repeat for hinge side fixed pane. Loosen screws and door hinges before connecting to right glass wall. Lift door into place alongside right glass wall. Firmly tighten hinge screws into place. Detach door handles from each other. Attach both inside and outside handles to glass door. Insert the wedge provided to ensure the stability of the fixed glass pane. Drive the fasteners through the ceiling panel into the wall panels to secure the ceiling firmly in place. Position the ceiling dust cover in place, then pull the power cord through the opening before securing the cover to the ceiling panel using the provided screws. Push the clear gasket with flange firmly onto the door edge until it is fully seated and secure. Secure remaining H-shaped clear gasket to the fixed glass panel closest to the door handle. Your FINSAUNA Fiera 200 runs on a standard 120-volt household outlet. No special wiring, no electrician required. Your FINSAUNA Fiera 200 is now complete.